Good afternoon from Tweed Coast IT. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to diagnose an internet fault from the comfort of your own keyboard. First thing you want to do is go down to the bottom left down here and type in CMD and then enter. Okay, this will bring up a little dialog box, and from here you can type in IP config and then enter. Now this will bring up a whole heap of information that to most people is pretty unimportant. But I'll just show you a few things. The first thing you want to note is this number here. This is the IP address of your computer. And the most important one we want to use today is this number here, 192.168.0.1. Now, it'll more than likely be different for your computer, but if you can just write down that number on a bit of paper for the next step. Okay, we're going to type in a little command here, which is a ping command. And what this does, it sends little packets to wherever we want to send it to. In this case, I'm going to send it to my router. So I'm going to type in PING, and then the number you just wrote down, 192.168.0.1, and then enter. And what I'm looking for is what we're getting right there. We've sent 4 little packets and we're getting 4 replies. So we now know from that that our computer is talking to our router. Okay, the next thing I want to test is to test that the router is talking to the outside world. Now, the best way I found to do this is to ping the most commonly used website in the world, which is google.com. Now, the reason I do this is because I know that Google is 99.9% of the time always up and running. So if I can ping Google, then I know my internet connection is working. So to do that, I type in PING once again, space, www.google.com, and then enter. And what I'm looking for is 4 replies from google.com. So from that, I can tell that my internet connection is fine, and I've more than likely got another issue there if my internet's still not working, such as the website's down. So my best advice is to always try to log on to Google first, and if that doesn't work, then start looking for other problems. But you can try this little trick and it'll tell you if there's a communication problem between your computer and router and the router and the outside world. Just if you're interested, if you want to see what happens when you don't get replies, I'll just type in PING, go back to my first ping I did, and then 192.168.0.1, and I get that. What happened now, I just disconnected my cable from my computer, and that's why I'm getting a failure. So now I'll plug my cable back in and repeat the same command. Just waiting for my cable to reconnect, and there we go, it's just reconnected. So yeah, that's another little trick you can use. Hope this video has helped you in some way. If it has, please leave a comment on the page or like the page. Thank you very much. See you next time.